Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to the Matters Home. This is the channel that showcases the latest and the trendiest in African fashion. We do this every day, bringing the trendiest, so you will be fashionally up to date. In today's video, we've got the best collections of Ankara skirts and blouses. If you want to rock a skirt and blouse that looks recent, trendy, and updated, this video is for you, because in these collections we've got a lot of vibrant colors, beautiful African wax prints that you like to rock. Take a look at the sleeves, the ending, the peplum, the skirt. Is it 6 pieces? Oh, perhaps you don't know what the 6 pieces skirt is. It's just that type of skirt that has two different pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 up to 6, all joined together with a little flare ending at the bottom. Yes, so it can be long. Most times it's long and it looks so beautiful on a peplum top. You can try it out and check the way to combine the peplums. Do you want it with a touch of black, or you just want it plain? You want some embellishments? What kind of sleeves you want? Just check this video, you will see exactly what you are looking for. Take it to your designer to do it for you. Comment if you see what you like. Hey, support me by liking this video and clicking on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on our latest fashion updates. Thanks for watching. Let's see you in our next video.